discuss in our up to last lecture regarding mechanism, kinematic chain, kinematic pair, and all kind of inversion, right? At where four-bar chain mechanism inversion, inversion of single static current mechanism, and inversion of double static current mechanism. Now we are proceed that how to implement or how actually inversion may work. Okay, for that some conditions are very important. So I discuss that condition, and if possible, you may also write down that all conditions. Initially, we have to identify crank and lever. As per the Grashopp's law, we know very well. In the practical, you have to remember that if A plus D is less than B plus C, A is the first link, B is the second link, C is the third link, and D is the fourth link. Okay, so first link and last link, the summation of first and last link, if it may be less than remaining two link, then A is considered as a crank. You remember this point. Then A is considered as a crank, and if the opposite condition is there, means the summation is higher. So on that time, A is considered as a lever. Okay, we are focusing right now regarding the input link. So whenever we talk about the input link, on that time you have to remember one thing initially, that if A plus D is higher, then A is lever, and if it may be lower, then it may be crank. Okay, so either A is crank or it may be lever. That depends on the summation of first link and last link. It is talk about the input link. Same way for the output link. If C plus D means remaining two links are higher than A plus B, then C is lever, and there is one mistake. And if C plus D is less than A plus D, if C plus D is less than, here less than, you have to mention that less than, then C is crank. Okay, so we are getting total. If we focus with the input and output link, then input crank, on the, simultaneously we are get in output either crank or lever, right? So crank mechanism, crank lever mechanism, same way lever crank mechanism and crank lever mechanism. Okay, we are right now getting total four kind of links as classify with input link and output link. Either crank lever, lever crank, or lever. Okay, right? So these are the four conditions, four position that we have to discuss every time we are fixing one link, and based on that we will keep our example continue. Please write down the data. Draw the inversion of forward chain mechanism for O2B is equal to 180 degree, sorry, 180 mm, PC is equal to 120 mm, CO4 is equal to 90 mm, and O2O4 is equal to 180 mm. Where one angle is given to you, angle BO2O4 is 45 degree in clockwise. Please write down the data. O2B 180 mm. As we know, when we have to talk about the inversion, on that time, the fixing link may be vary. In first, if only one link is fixed for whole system, then it called as a mechanism. But if the fixing link may vary, then inversely generated. So we are fixing one by one all the links and we get that output in calculate as per the given data. So first of all, we will proceed for case 1. Here we are calculate total 4 case because forward chain mechanism and 4 links are there. Okay. So please draw the diagram as shown in slide where O2, O4, O2 is on left side and O4 is on right side horizontal line which is fixed. Now, if the dimension is larger, then you are free to take scale. Also, you are draw the O2 for fixed line. The dimensions are already predefined initially. Now, O2B. Now, draw O2B where the angle is given to you. The angle is BO2O4, which is equal to 45 degree. So, and we know that the dimension of BO2 is 180 mm. You may take the scale also. Suppose it may not cover in your sketchbook, then you take the scale of 1 gem 2, or if it may be suitable, then you take the scale 1 gem 1. Okay. So I repeat, initially we are fixing O2, O4 as shown in this slide. Try to draw BO2, O4 45 degree and BC. When you use the dimension of BC and O4C, it both are intersect at point C. So you complete your whole figure in close way like O2, BC, O4, where every time we are consider that after end of the fixing line on from the clockwise direction, the first link is considered as a small a. Okay, so it may be in anti-clockwise, then we consider as a anti-clockwise A, B, C, D. Okay, A is equal to O2B, B is equal to O2O4, C is equal to O4C, and D is equal to CB. Now, please.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what is the angle between BC and O4?
No need for BC and O4 because there is some line for you that is BC. Okay, the dimension is given to you of BC. That is 120 mm. Same way CO4 is also given to you. So both are intersect at C.
Okay, okay, sir. Understand.
So then what would be
BC
the
and
angle of
CO4.
O2BC?
I repeat already one time. Please draw carefully as I instruct. Already BC is given to you. BC is 120 mm and CO4 90 mm. So one time you take B as a center and BC is equal to 120 mm. Okay, B as a center and BC is equal to 120 mm. Same way, in CO4, O4 is a center and draw the line. It means BC line and O4C line is intersect at point C. We haven't required the angle of BCO4 because BC and O4C are intersect at point C. Hope so now clear in your mind.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you draw the figure. After end of the figure, please tell me that condition already predefined that for input link and for output link. A plus B, you mentioned initially that ABCD in anti-clockwise direction, ABCD, where A is equal to O2B, B is equal to O4 O2 as shown in the figure. O4C is small c and CB or BC is equal to small d. ABCD. Okay, and tell me that what you get in input and what you get in output. Yes, Deep. Please, I'm trying. Please, Deep, please start your video and show to all.
મને કીધું સર
Yes, yes. So everybody can refer it.
it is visible
Actually,
sir
it is
Sir,
not
input is
whole
crank
fully
lever, no?
visible. थोड़ा थोड़ा दूर ले जाओ अपना कैमरा और थोड़ा दिस इज जस्ट फॉर योर गाइडेंस एक्चुअली मैंने जो ड्रॉ किया मैंने रैंडमली ड्रॉ किया है सो एज पर दीप फिगर यू मे फाइंड दैट एग्जैक्टली दीप थोड़ा डिस्टेंस रखो बिटवीन योर फिगर एंड कैमरा इट इज नॉट 100% विजिबल या नाउ ओके all are please check it O2 O4 B and C A B C D if
Sir,
you know
input is
first figure then
sir, input
is it
will
okay
be
now
crank. Yes, sir.
okay hope so no query from any person if any yet have query then please mention in chat box so I will trying to yes now tell me that which kind of mechanism it may generate if we are put O2 O4 as a fixed link then what's about input link is it crank or lever
Sir, crank or lever.
and crank or lever
Sir, lever.
lever input is a crank or lever
Lever.
Lever.
and what's about output link I mentioned the criteria which it may fulfill what's about output link
Sir,
Lever.
It means both are lever. Both are lever.
Sir, in
The
this
second condition is that C plus D is greater than A plus B, then lever, and C plus D is less than A plus B, then crank.
sir, it is crank.
Crank, sir.
Crank, sir.
There is already I mentioned that there is some by mistake, it is less than. So it may be called as a lever crank mechanism, right? It is known as
Yes,
a
sir.
lever crank mechanism. As I mentioned earlier, it is called as a lever. When our link O2 O4 is fixed, then the mechanism generated is known as a lever crank mechanism. Now we just find that what is the situation of input link, means this is the input link O2B and CO4 is the output link. Right now, on left side, whichever the link is there, we are considered it may be the input link and this is the output link. Just see the diagram as this is the forward chain mechanism O2, O4, CB. Okay, already you drawn this diagram O2, O4, C and B. Now we are get that this is input link O2B, it is called as a lever, and O4C, it is called as a crank. So it is called as a lever crank mechanism. Now we know that O2, O4 is 180 mm and CO4 is 90 mm. Okay, O2, O4 is 180 mm and CO4 is 90 mm, means 180 plus 90 is 270, while O2B is 180 mm and BC is equal to 120 mm, means 300, right? So now what we have to do, we have to plan for minimum and maximum coverage of input link and output link. See why it requires, what kind of expansion is there of O2B link and O4C link. That depends, or that may give you the idea that how you can adjust remaining parts of the machine. There is some mechanism where four links are there, and if you are attached with each other, then what kind of maximum expansion, what kind of maximum expansion we are getting from input and output. Due to that we are creating or we are generate that कि हमें कहाँ पे remaining links are adjust करनी होगी. Okay, so for that, as I seen here, and it may be clear in your figure also. So initially we are find B dash. B dash means this, means outside of this. कैसे we are, how we are getting that CO4, just see here, CO4 and BC. You can see here, if we are considered that these two are as a straight line. Okay, जब वो straight line में होगी, then it may be this input line may get maximum expansion. वो कितना होगा? Definitely the summation of remaining two, that is BC and CO2. So please take the summation of CO4 and BC. So it is equal to 90 plus 120. If you take 1/2 scale here, I am calculated with the help of 1/2 scale. That's why I am taking that 210 divided by 2. So it may be 105 mm. Okay. So from point O4 arc from point O4 arc outside of the B, which is equal to 105 mm. Okay, which is equal to 105 mm. Getting
No, sir.
how we are get 105? How you get 105? Yet we are not get the B dash. अभी हमें B dash नहीं मिला है.
Sir, can you please repeat this?
We are just get only the reference line. On that, the B dash may be there. B dash वही पाथ पे कहीं पे होगा ऐसा हमें मिला है. I repeat, I want to find point B dash, which is definitely outside of the point B. For that, how many it may be? Definitely, it may be the summation of these and this, means CO4 and BC. So we take the summation of CO4 and BC. We know very well that CO4 is equal to 90 mm and BC is equal to 120 mm. Based on that, it may be 210 mm. I am taking the scale of 1 gem 2. That's why the reading is 105. If it may be 210, then definitely divide by 2. So 105 mm I am getting. From point O dash, you have to create a arc outside of this BO2 line. आपको यहाँ पे एक arc आएगा. That may be of 105 mm. Now, after generate the arc, now take O2 as a center and O2B as a radius. Take O2 as a center and O2B as a radius and arc on that B dash arc on that path. It may be generate, or you are getting the point B dash. You are generate the point B dash. I repeat, initially I'm get O4 B dash, which is equal to 105 mm, and O2B arc, which both are intersect at point B dash. So I'm getting point B dash. So you are getting point B dash. Now, talking about the output link. Talking about output link, as you know here, if I am compare BC and CO4, then BC is higher, means BC is greater than CO4. So we definitely performing the work like BC minus CO4. So we are doing that BC minus CO4, which is equal to 120 minus 90. It means 30 mm. Okay. So we have to take 30 mm from O4. We have to take 30 mm from O4. Please find B dash first. Then I'm talking about output link. Deep, please share your diagram.
હેલો સર.
Yes.
સર વચ્ચે અવાજ કપાઈ જાય છે થોડોક મિસ થઈ ગયો તમે બોલ્યા ને પાછળ પેલા બી એકવાર કપાઈ ગયો તો અવાજ.
Okay. Deep, please share your diagram. So
Okay, sir. Okay.
remaining student can also get the idea कि कैसे draw करना है.
It is visible, sir.
Just a wait. If possible, Deep, provide your camera in parallel with your figure. So right now your figure is perpendicular. Please change the mode. It may be you just arrange in 90 degree. थोड़ा 90 degree कर दो अपना either mobile or either figure.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
yes. Please, initially, I just focus on this diagram. Initially, you get this diagram. After end of the getting this point B dash, you join with both the fixed point. आपको दोनों fixed point से B dash को join करना है. Means your O2 point and your O4 point. You may join with the B dash. So you are getting O2 B dash and O4 B dash. After that, we are proceed for the B double dash. We are proceed for the B double dash. We are get the B double dash with the help of BC and CO4. We know very well that in BC and CO4, BC is higher than CO4. So on that time, BC minus CO4, so we know that we are getting 30 mm. अगर आपने 1/2 dimension लिया है, then it may be 15 mm. Otherwise, it may be 30 mm. Now, as shown in the Deep's diagram, you just extend your O4 line up to 30 mm. I just trying to share this diagram. I think Deep is spotlight now.
Yes, sir.
So it may be clear for all how we are get point B dash. Now you
Sir,
can
till
see
how
here.
long are we supposed to extend the line? I mean, where exactly would B double dash point will be?
B double dash point would be at either if you are taking the scale of 1 gm2, then it may be 15 mm, or it may be 30 mm if you take the scale of 1 gm.
So what I mean
After
to
that,
ask is that in your figure, that B double dash point is a little bit farther from that B dash O4 line, right? So how are we supposed to find that exact coordinate of that point?
So,
yes.
કપાઈ જાય છે તમારો
we asking about the what is the hello.
आपकी आवाज कट रही
So
है.
what is the exact?
If
So
possible,
what is
please.
the exact?
So I can read it, whatever you want to say.
So you see that vertical line passing from O4 and B double dash?
Yes, please continue.
Yes, sir. What is that line exactly? How are we supposed to create that one? That's what I was asking.
Which line?
Sir, that vertical line passing from B double dash and O4.
It may be 30 mm.
Sir, it is perpendicular to O2O4 or not?
Yes, sir, exactly.
It is the intermediate between, you can see it here. It is the between this output line and this dotted line. After that, you may extend that line. आपको वो line उसके बाद extend करनी है. कहाँ तक? It may depends on this O4C. O4C जो है वो कहाँ तक जाएगी, तो वो आपको ऊपर सेंटर लेके उसको यही लाइन है जो उसको नीचे एक्सटेंड करनी है. आफ्टर दैट you get the point. O4C are intersect at somewhere. It may be your C double dash. You may extend this O4B double dash line.
Yes, sir, but how do we get that O4 B double dash line? That's the problem.
So what is the exact dimension of O2B double dash?
30
That would be
mm
180.
If you take this 1 minute, if you take a scale of 1 gm2, then it may be 15 mm. And if you take the scale of 1 gm1, then it may be 30 mm.
So not O B double dash O4. I say O2B double dash.
That
O2B, you have to just join O2B double dash. There is no any dimension.
okay, sir. That O4B double dash line is perpendicular, right? To
Yes.
that
Yes.
horizontal. Okay, thank you, sir. That's what I've been asking
You have
for
to
this
just
time.
join O2B double dash line. आपको जहां भी B double dash मिलता है, from the O4 you are get at 15 mm or 30 mm. You just join from O2 B dash B double dash, same way O2 B dash, same way O4 से B dash को भी join करना है, and same way you have to extend B double dash वाली line जो है वो आपको extend करनी है नीचे की तरफ, where it may be intersect on O4C at C double dash. नीचे O4C वाली जो लाइन है वो नीचे आएगी, कहां तक आएगी? C double dash तक. And the remaining C dash point we are get on O4C C dash on dotted line of O4B dash.
Sir, just to clarify it one last time, B dash ને O4 વાળી જે line છે એ perpendicular હશે ને?
I repeat once again. Initially, you get point B dash. After that, join B dash point with O2 and with O4 also. It means the point B dash is completed. Now we focus with the B double dash and C double dash and C dash. For that, initially we know that from the diagram we can say that BC is higher than CO4. So we are just take 120 minus 90 and we are get the dimension that is 30 mm here. So from O2 we are drawn 30 mm line at where we are get point B double dash. O4 में से हमें कहीं पे we are generate the point B double dash. We are get. Okay, now what we have to do? We are join O2 with B double dash. After that you just pass from the B double dash point, also join with O4 and same line you have to extend. आपने जो लाइन B dash में से O4 में किया है वही लाइन को आपको एक्सटेंड करनी है.
सर तो वो लाइन कोई भी आर्बिट्री ले सकता है ना?
Yeah, you may take arbitrary line, but it must be collinear line. That B dash, B double dash, O4, and the last point is C double dash are in one line. B double dash, O4, and C double dash. कहाँ पे मिलेगा C double dash? That may be taking the arc of O4C, which may be intersect on C double dash. O4C वाला arc, we are getting at below portion of O4. It is called as a C double dash. While C dash we are getting at on O4B dash line, where C dash is equal to the radius of O4C. Where C dash is equal to radius of O4C. Is it okay?
Yes, sir, got it.
Please show me the diagram. So any another student can please show me the diagram so I may get the idea that.
Okay, sir.
Please थोड़ा distance रखो. Yet your C double S points are not visible properly to me.
Now it is visible.
Your image is not clear. I think there is internet issue.
Sir, may I present the screen and show it to you?
Yes, please, Aryan. Again, here there is some mistake at here. It must be in collinear position. Your B dash, your B double dash, O4 and C double dash are in one line. Must be in one line.
Okay, sir, I made the arc at the wrong line. Yes, sir, got it.
Okay.
सर मैंने पिक्चर का फोटो क्लिक करके सेंड किया है चैट बॉक्स में.
Just a minute. Yes. I'm trying to share to all. Okay, यहाँ तक रखते हैं. Actually, I have to finish whole inversion today, but due to some confusion, right now, we are take some time, but not an issue with that. Only first inversion is completed. Here remaining 3 are remaining. Okay, that we are trying to finish on next week. On next lecture,